Good evening to all. My name is S. Megan. I am studying 9th grade in Veeram Sri Reddy International School. Now, I am going to explain a social project on Joseph Stalin, leader of the Soviet nation. Joseph Stalin was born in December 18, 1878 in Gori, Georgia, in the Russian Empire to a poor family. At age 7, he caught smallpox, leaving him with a pockmarked face. Joseph's mother was a devout Russian Orthodox Christian and wanted him to become a priest. In 1895, she sent him to study in Tiflis, the Georgian capital. However, he started reading the writings of Karl Marx and Vladimir Lenin after joining a secret organization which wanted Georgian independence from Russia. In 1901, he joined the Social Democratic Labour Party and organized protests and strikes for the revolutionary movement against Tsarism. A year later, he was arrested for coordinating a strike and sent to prison. Stalin would join the Bolshevik Party and use guerrilla warfare during the Russian Revolution of 1905. He impressed the party's leader Vladimir Lenin and his ability to organize meetings and strikes, as well as ruthless techniques to raise money for the party by kidnapping and robbery. In 1907, he sold 250,000 rubles at a bank robbery in Tiflis to fund the cause. Around this time, he adopted the name Stalin, which means steel of Russian or man of steel. During the Russian Revolution in 1917, Stalin ran the Bolshevik newspaper Pravda. By October, the revolution was over and the Bolsheviks were in control. A civil war then followed with a Bolshevik victory. In 1922, Stalin appointed General Secretary of the Communist Party and he manipulated his role so that he was in a powerful position. Lenin died in 1924 and it was assumed that Leon Trotsky be the next leader, but Stalin would make sure this wouldn't happen. He had Trotsky and other threats to his future leadership removed from the Center Committee and exiled. Eventually, Stalin was effectively dictator of the Soviet Union. In the late 1920s, Stalin would aim to turn the Soviet Union into modernized, industrialized country, and he wanted it done rapidly. He developed 3 5-year plans between 1928 and 1938. Coal, oil, steel, and electricity production massively increased. He also introduced collectivization to increase food production, seizing and originally given to peasants and recognizing into collective farms. Massive famine was caused as a result and millions died, but Stalin saw this as necessary evil originally given to peasants. Result and millions died, but Stalin saw this as necessary evil to achieve the ambitions of his 5-year plans and transform the Soviet Union. As Stalin created a cult of personality through culture, he became more paranoid. Everyone had to praise him and his portrait was everywhere from schools to factories. When Germany invaded the Soviet Union in 1941, the Red Army was not prepared and suffered massive losses. Had helped the Red Army was not prepared and suffered massive losses. Had helped the Stalin had purged many talented officers during the 30s. Stalin refused to leave Moscow as German forces moved further east. In 1942, the Red Army at Stalingrad were told not to give the city of German forces and to defend it at all costs. At city bore Stalin's name. This was the turning point of pushing the Nazi back, and soon the Red Army was liberating Eastern Europe all the way to Berlin. The Alta and Potsdam conferences in 1945 between the Soviet Union, USA and Britain was tense with the use of atom bomb. The Allies did not need the help of Soviet Union in defeating Japan. The Cold War had begun. East Berlin and Eastern Europe, which had occupied territories by Soviet forces, were transformed into satellite states, forming a bulwark between Soviet Union and Stalin's former allies. He also ordered the head of the secret police, Avaniti Beria, to investigate a new purge of Communist Party. Before this could happen, Stalin died of a stroke on March 5th, 1953. Thank you. Have a nice day.